It's time to change the filter on my Blueair filter, and this time around I got the SmokeBlock filter. Now this is a fantastic filter if you live anywhere that has wildfires. I live in the Pacific Northwest and I am thrilled to have this filter as it will last 6 months and I can use it through wildfire season. And while Blueair filters in general are fantastic and the regular ones have already done such an impressive job during prior fire season, I know that this one will do a much better job as it's specifically designed to remove the particulates from the air that come from fires. We've had some really large fires and really bad air quality outside, and the Blueair has always come through for me. Now here is how it comes. It looks very similar to the standard Blueair filter, which makes sense because the filters are already exceptionally high quality, really good at pulling everything you want out of the air. But this one actually has more charcoal carbon in it, so it'll do a better job on those fine particulates. And then you simply fold it open and you got a square. Now this is tucked in a little bit, but it does a great job still getting all the air into it throughout this whole room, and it has the correct ventilation. The one thing I always find is that it collects all my cat's hair, so I usually have to do a lot of cleaning on the exterior. But let's change out the filter real quick so you can see how easy this is. And I'll turn off the top and then push the buttons on the sides and pull it right up. It's as easy as pulling out the old filter and then putting in the new filter. Can you see that difference? I can see the difference. This is 6 months of use, and this one will be in for 6 months. And when this one comes out, I will switch it back to a standard Blueair filter for the winter, and then I'll put this one back in for the summer, fall season, because that's really when we have fire risk, and that's when I want the SmokeBlock filter. Both filters are super high end. And then all I do is slide it on in and put the top back on. I love these filters, I love this company, and I especially love that they've now specifically designed filters for smoke.